What good traders look for? They look for three things mainly. One, high risk to reward ratio. Second, trades with high probability of profit. And third, easy to identify setups. And triangle pattern breakouts provide all these three. In this video, we are going to see how to earn huge profits using triangle pattern breakouts. So stay tuned and watch this video till end. So generally, three type of triangle patterns form on the chart. One is called ascending triangle, second is descending triangle, and third is symmetric triangle pattern. And all these three can be traded and we can earn good profit. So we'll directly go to chart and see what are these patterns and how to trade those. Okay, and why this form at first place, and what, in which conditions we should trade this, and how we have to exit these trades. So all these complete setups like a strategy we will see in this video. Okay, so let's go to chart. This is chart. So I'll be showing you many chart as part of this video. So I won't tell you name and all that, but I will show you the patterns and how to trade those patterns. Okay, so on this chart, okay, so here you are seeing a pattern. I'll just mark it for you. Okay, so you are seeing a triangle. Now when price came out of the triangle, it's going up. This is called ascending triangle because the top line of this triangle is a horizontal resistance line and the support line is a trend line. So this overall, this triangle looks like going upward. Okay, so this is called ascending triangle. Okay, so how to trade ascending triangle? First thing you have to see is there is uptrend on the chart. Is prices going up? Yes, there is uptrend. In uptrend, if you see the pattern, the triangle pattern forming, once price moves out of this triangle, immediately you have to buy. So your buy entry will be here. So immediately once you see that price is has broken this resistance level and moving up, you have to buy it here at this level. This is the level. So at this level you have to buy. Okay, and where you will exit, you have to calculate this line generally from here till here or here, generally here if we connect this, and you have to book profit when price move from this point to the point above, and it should be same distance as of this distance, this. So here you have to book the profit. Okay, this don't look exactly same, but you have to find the same distance from here. Okay, and then you have to book the profit. Now you can see when this is uptrend, you can see many many triangles, ascending triangles, okay, or any type of triangles, but you will see many ascending triangles if it is in uptrend. And see, you have to trade this pattern when price is in trend. If price is in downtrend and ascending pattern forms, you can still trade it, okay, but in that scenario you have to look for trade on downside. Okay, first let me complete this part. So see, what we did is, when price has broken out, we took the trade. Suppose instead of going up, if price comes down, then what? Suppose price from here, price has come down like this. Will you trade it? You won't trade it, okay? You should not trade against the trend. If trend is going up and pattern forms, we have to trade this in continuation. See, triangle patterns are called continuation patterns. So you have to trade it, always you have to trade it in continuation of the trend. Okay, so if such triangle pattern forms, and even if it breaks down to lower side, don't trade. Okay, I'll show you the next chart. Now see on this chart, this is again uptrend. You can see patterns forming. See, this is one triangle, right? Small triangle formed, price went up. Recently there is a very good triangle. Right? Now what is the difference between these two triangles? This is more of a symmetric triangle, right? This is a symmetric triangle, and this is ascending triangle. So when price breaks out of this level, you have to buy it immediately. Immediately where? As price breaks out, so this is your buy level. At this level you should buy, and this exactly your profit should be this much from this point till this point. So approximately your profit level will be this here. So when price moves up and come to this level, you have to book profit, because this level, see, this height between these two, this height is roughly same as this from here till here. Okay, so this same should be your target. Oh, so this is to be little high, this. Okay, now we'll go to the next chart. This is Apollo Hospital. Now see, here you are finding a different type of pattern. Okay, okay, what is this? This is descending triangle, because the slope of this triangle, this is downside, right? This resistance line coming down and the support line is horizontal. This is called descending triangle. Now when descending triangle is forming and trend is uptrend, so where trend is going? Uptrend. And see, you have to see trend in same time frame. Okay, not higher or lower time frame. You have to see trend in same time frame. This is daily chart. You have to find trend in daily time frame chart. Trend is uptrend. Then how you have to trade? When price breaks out on upper side, you should not take trade here. If price is coming down like this, or here little bit price came down, if price come down here, you are not supposed to trade. Don't take trade in this condition. No trade. You have to trade in direction of trend, and trend direction is upper, right? So how you will trade when price is going up? You will trade in the direction of trend. So here somewhere you have to enter. So this will be your entry. Okay. What will be your stop loss? Below previous low. So your stop loss will be here, because this is previous low. So this is your stop loss. Okay. And what will be your profit target? It should be same as this height. Okay. So same here. So same I will place here. From this breakout you have to calculate. So exact from breakout point you have to calculate. So your target is somewhere at this point. Fine. Well, I'll write these things here. This is entry. This is stop loss. And this is exit. Okay. Now those who did not watch the video till this point don't know where to put stop loss. That's why I always keep telling people that watch the videos till end, because these points, as and when it comes to my mind, I keep telling during the video. Okay. So I'll show you one more video. See, this is again a descending triangle, right? This is a descending triangle. If you see, this support line is horizontal, right? And this resistance line is vertical. So the slope of this triangle is downward. So you should not be, see, some people when they explain triangle patterns, they tell you that if ascending triangle is there, trade it on upside. If descending triangle is there, trade it on downside. If symmetric triangle is there, look for trade on both sides. No, you should not do that. You should first check what is the current trend in current time frame on that chart. If it shows you uptrend, clear uptrend, then any triangle pattern forms, you have to trade it on upper side, on the side of trend. You should not trade even if breakout happen like this. You should not trade. No, this is wrong. You should not trade this setup. Even if this setup you are seeing on the chart, you should not trade this. This is wrong setup. You have to always trade it in line with trend. Okay. And see, what is advantage of this trading, this type of breakout trading? Here, okay, I'll just remove something. Okay. Just remove this. See, this is tight consolidation. Okay. Still, this is our target. So it is very well defined from this point till this point. Okay. So after breakout, after breakout from this point, when price goes to here, you have to exit, right? So this is your target, this is your target line, this is your entry line, right? And previous low. So this this support line, this is your stop loss. Now you can compare it yourself and each of the charts which I show, and you can go and check your own patterns, and then you can see in those patterns this distance, this is this is your this distance, this is your reward, right? And this is your risk, right? And you can see clearly that this risk, if this is 1, this reward is 3 times, right? And it is always like that for triangle breakouts. Any charts which I showed you, go and check. So it always is same for all the triangle breakouts. But you have to remember one thing, you have to trade with trend. Second, you have to immediately enter the trade as breakout happens, right? Now I will take you to the next chart. Okay, see, this is again triangle breakout, uptrend triangle breakout happens. So this is triangle, right? This is more or less like ascending triangle, right? Once breakout happens, see the profit, this was your minimum profit, right? And most important thing is it gives you profit quickly. See, 1 2 3 4 candles and you exit. So within 4 days you get good profit and you are out of the trade. Now this, see, this is also a triangle, but this is not ascending triangle, this is symmetric, more of kind of symmetric triangle, right? See, this is breakout here, and you have to trade in line with breakout, in line with trend, and every time it breaks out of the consolidation triangle pattern, it gives you good profit. Now here also your profit target will be something like this, from here till here. So here somewhere around this point here, somewhere you will exit from the trade. Okay, let's move to next chart pattern. See, what I am showing you is the very recent patterns, okay, very recently formed. Now this is another symmetric triangle, okay. See, what kind of triangle is this? This is symmetric triangle, right? And see what happened when price moved up. But you have to see that there was uptrend going on, then only you are going to trade this kind of pattern. You won't trade this pattern if breakout happen on downside. You will always trade if breakout happens on upside, okay. And for who trades in FNO and short side also, for FNO stocks, if those are going down, you should see downtrend. If there is downtrend and triangle pattern forms and they break out on downside, then only trade. don't trade it on upside. Okay, now these are the some of the charts I showed you. Now main advantages of this pattern are good risk reward, and this is high probability trade. If it is uptrend and triangle pattern forms, then there is very high chance that price will go up. Okay, if price is in range bound, say price is not going up and price is range bound like this somewhere, just think that this area is not there on the this chart, and price is moving somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here price is moving, and then price came here, and like this price is doing something this. In this case, will you trade this pattern? No, you should not trade, because there is no uptrend. Okay, even if price is falling and price came here and then price formed this pattern, will you trade this? No, you look for trade if price is going down. Okay, if earlier price is in downtrend, then you have to trade it on downtrend, short selling. Okay, or FNO. But generally for stock traders, I don't suggest to do that. Look for the trade on upper side if there is trend. Okay, well, and see, two things combined, you in rare cases you get two things combined, that is high probability trade and high risk reward. Okay, either the probability of winning will be high, in that case risk reward won't be on your side, your risk will be 1 and reward will be half. In case of low probability trades, your risk will be less, reward will be high, but the probability of that trade to be successful is very less. Only 20%, 30% of time that trade will be successful, that setup will be successful. When it is successful, it will give you good profit, but in 70-75% time it will fail. Now the best thing with this pattern, triangle pattern, is its probability of profit is high, probability of this trade working is very high, its upside 70%, and its risk reward is always 1:3, means if 1 is risk, 3 is reward, which is very good reward. Okay, that's all about the triangle patterns. And if you like this, then please subscribe to our channel, share this video with your friends, and like this video also. And I'll keep posting about such good videos, so take advantage of this and learn. So thank you very much and goodbye.